How are you? This one, you are standing waiting for you. What happened? Look, this one, you are waiting for me. What happened? Me, nothing. You want to vote for ambulance and emergency again? Definitely not. Oh, yeah, you go press not, okay, no.
I have to go.
That is what I'm doing. Okay, press 20. Get 20 was born with another one.
Okay, there is no network.
What did you mean? No network. No network in my money. Where the network went to?
I don't know. The network went out.
Ah! The network went out with my money. We told you on time. Okay, go see that, bro. Mr. Bado, no problem. Give me my nonsense. Give me my nonsense. Please, where can? But. Don't worry, don't worry. When I come by, you look beautiful. I'll look for one of my sons that will marry you. Is there any other place I can go and get my money?
You can check the other direction.
Who check here? Thank you. Oh yeah, where are the people POS? Where are the POS? Walk. Yeah, the dinner was coming, see me here. I'm going. Really, me for was book. Press. So you press. Let me see. Not. Press 4 not. You got a one, I'm going to go. You've done that. No matter what you go. Makuye press 20.
Okay, there is no network.
There is no network.
Yes.
Which one is no network?
There is no network, sir.
Where the network went to? Where I'm talking to you? Where the network went to?
Are you asking me? Am I network? Am I big guy?
Give me that thing. You say network. Give me. Let me come. As you have my idea. Where again you are? You're going to get it. Don't tell me you're holding my money, not seeing the problem. What's it work? Go in. Just network away. Network will go now.
Buy your network here. Wow, empty and address. How much? In 30 minutes time, just recharge 200 on your phone. You just This one. Buy your network here. Your network here.
Hey! She may go one network. The network one now. So I say it for one. Oh! Wait, Chalu before. Hey! Your network here. Thank you. So you're the network. So you're with my money. You network your money. It's only my money. God bless you. I went to POS to withdraw money. Thank you. You go to school. I heard them what's up. They say network went out. Where did he went to? They say they don't know. Look, I went to the POS to withdraw my money. Oh. Now that one be the problem. Oh yeah, hey, it's volleyball. Is that why you are here disturbing me? Network is service. Oh. Is what they call me the volleyball? What to you? Volleyball. I know the West is not from me. I know you're not talking your name. Look, whether good or bad, whether service or network. All I know is network is network.